How to remove all tags photos on Facebook at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove all of the tagged photos on Facebook at once. But before getting started, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is access your menu section by opening up your Facebook. And then from here, what you can do is tap on the three lines on your profile. And here you will see review post and tag. So if someone has tagged you on a post, it will show up right here. And if you want to turn on the review, you can turn it on like this. It will always be on if you have a locked profile. So if you want to unlock this, you can just unlock your profile and then you should be good to go. The other thing that you want to do is just go ahead and access your activity, and there what you need to do is tap on activity log, tap on your Facebook activity and scroll down. Activity you're tagged in, just tap on it, and now it will show you a list of all of your tagged posts. You can just tap on select all and then remove tags. So this is pretty quick and straightforward. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.